What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. We are going on a ride again today. I know it's a bit of cliche right now because I've been saying this intro for about past 7 to 8 videos. But yeah, we are going to Maralwadi Dam. It's a lesser known place in Bangalore. I mean near Bangalore. I don't know the exact place where it is. I'm not going solo, by the way. I'm going with Manoj. He'll be waiting for me at the Kanakpura toll gate exit. Kanakpura. You stay there. Okay, so this is the Kanakpura toll gate. I believe there's no one here. Yes, I knew it. It's just I don't know why we even buy toll receipts, because they don't check at the next step. I mean at the exit. I'll just wait for him here. Okay, I forgot to tell about the location and stuff. Let me type in Maralwadi Dam. Yeah. Oh, it's only 35 kilometers from here. Oh well, from my home it was 51 or something. What about the weather, boys and girls? The weather currently is 19 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it's pretty cold actually. Chalo, bye. Okay, let's go. We just had a tea break. Now this looks beautiful for sure. Oh man, that is nice. Looks so good. Hey. Dude, what is happening here? Why is this so beautiful? Holy crap. Now, this is also a reason that you should be riding in the morning, because you get to see this beautiful mist or fog or whatever this thing is. It is beautiful. Okay, so I guess this is Harohalli. We have to take a left from here. Which left is this? It's not this one. It is this one. Why does it look like this? Lot of garbage. Dude, how do they live here? I mean, why do they do this? The people who are living here is doing this. I was right. It's only about 12 kilometers from Harohalli, the junction. 16 minutes more. Oh yeah, this is the one. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna stop over here. This is the view. We'll be going there now. That'll be fun. That'll be more risky too. Bayana. Look at him, he's scared. Maguru. Yeah, so this is the view. I don't know where these people suddenly came from. They just came out of nowhere. So this is the view. You see? It's really good. He's scared. I know, he's scared. Fish. Ah. ಅದೇ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಬಾತ್ಕೋಳಿ ಬಾತ್ಕೋಳಿನ ಅದೇ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಯಾ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಗೋಪುರ anxiety level. Okay, I'm going back right now. Okay, so this is the view. I don't know if you guys remember that place. You should probably remember that because we just came from there. I tried to do time lapse, but there's nothing on the sky. There's no clouds. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.